So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Is driving for Lyft even worth it anymore? This comes in our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group. By the way, guys, if you're watching this video, please thumbs it up. Thumbs up this video. And also make sure to check out Fetti with the link below to get offers with high-paying jobs. Takes 2 minutes. You can enter your email, link below. But this next video topic is driving for Lyft even worth it anymore? What do you think, Izzy?
No.
Look at this guy who shared this. So he went out and drove for 7 hours, 3 hours, 3.5 hours online time. We were just talking about this earlier about how if you're online, like you should be paid like the whole time you're online, because if you're a fast food worker or a retail, you're only getting paid while you have a customer. So for Lyft, look at this guy. He went on for 3 hours and 45 minutes. And guess how much money he made? Take a guess.
I mean, I can see.
Well, say it for all the people in the back.
$57.75.
He made $57 in 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Let's do some math here.
Yeah, do some math.
So that's 3.75 hours. We have 57.75 divided by 3. So that's $15.4 an hour. But all the time that he was still like driving.
Wait, 15 an hour? Is that right? I think your math's off.
No.
Oh, what'd you say? 15 what?
15.4.
Yeah. $15 an hour. But yeah, keep in mind, he's driving around a lot. He's probably like...
Gas?
Yeah, gas.
Wear and tear on your car.
After all things considered, he probably lost money.
Yeah, and like, if you think about it, like, he was only online for 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Yeah.
But he was probably like out, like working. Sorry, he's like out for probably over 4 hours.
Yeah, that's true.
Like by the time he like left his house and got in his car.
Yeah.
And like the time between the rides.
Yeah. Yeah, if you need to stop and get gas, like you need to stop, go to the bathroom, like all these things add up. So
he probably made like $10 an hour.
Yeah. So let's see what the comments say.
Get yourself a bot. Oh, sorry.
Oh damn, there's hella spams in here. Someone says it's trash here too. So comment below, do you think driving for Lyft is worth it anymore? And are you having the same experience on Uber as well?